Hey everyone, this is Yon at Cougar Creek Ranch. We had some strong winds a couple of weeks ago, and let me go closer to show you this thumb. By the way, it's a beautiful day, March. It's about 15 degrees Celsius. So this fir tree basically got this tree is dead for like probably a couple of years, and it broke about 20 feet above, and you can see over there it fell on that direction, so I have to come and cut it down here, and I use my 36 inch bar and 72 or 74 cc chainsaw from Neotech. But I managed to cut these cookies. They are pretty much around 2 feet 24 inch or 0.6 meter diameter. So I use this chainsaw, very good actually, but I use this bar for some project with wood mill. So yeah, basically I damage the head here of the bar, and while I cut these larger pieces at the bottom of the tree, I end up burning the bar completely almost. It's still working actually, but I'm not going to use it anymore. So I figured out about another way to cut the rest of the tree. Then I am using a Yamaha 2200 IS generator, and the Oregon CS 1400 electric chainsaw to continue the work, cutting the pieces in dimensions about 14 inch. Hey, I am becoming fan of those electric chainsaw. This is the Oregon CS 1400-091, and kind of I'm doing a review for both the Yamaha generator, which it's 2200 watts maximum, and I believe continuous power it's about 1800 watts. Well, I probably can run a very long cable to come here, but yeah, with the generator I can get closer. So this is a kind of fit. So I'm reviewing both the chainsaw and the Yamaha generator. Yamaha has very nice feature in a sense that it's easy to start, has all the safety issues, and it's basically I bought it for powering my homestead for longer duration. I have two more generators. One it's 12 kilowatts continuous power. The other one is 4.5, and I am using one of them for whatever. For example, the 12 kilowatts power, I use it when I have long power shortages and I need to heat up the water. The other one, the 4500 watts, I use it for generic things like we can cook, we can have the lights. And also I want to use this Yamaha just to power the house for longer duration because it's a smaller power, so I can have internet and all that stuff. Great generator. I have no complaints, but I just purchased it. So the only thing I do want to say about the Yamaha generator is that actually I would have liked to have a 240 volts output. It doesn't. It has only 120 volts. Anyway, now using the generator with this machine, it's pretty much matching the power of the generator. So I have to run it relatively, let's say, in a gentle way, because I don't want to get the generator fuse to trip. You know, it's like the generator will get into overload if I'm pressing too hard. So just let the chain go through, and you can see this is relatively easy operation. Yeah, you see the overload just kicked in, but it doesn't matter. Probably I pushed it too hard down there. What I want to say about this, I use this electric chainsaw. It has a much smaller curve, and also you can get, this is a 16-inch bar and chain. The chain, you can purchase it with carbide tipped, so that will last much longer. On fir tree, basically this will give you quite a bit. Just a regular chain will be fine, but I guess having this capability with a small curve and carbide tipped chain, that's a fantastic thing. So the only thing you have to do is you have to oil it, and of course you have to grease the head. That's about it. It's a beautiful day here, about let's say maybe right now about 16-17 Celsius, and it's just a wonderful forest environment for me here. Yeah, it's sunny and beautiful, wild forest.